Hi everybody, I am here and I am taking a look. I've been on Ubuntu Deepin. This is the beta release and I've run it for 3 to 4 days now, almost a week, and I have to say that I really like Deepin, so I'm gonna have to compare this with other Deepin environments on Arch or Debian. I'm gonna have to compare and see. But there's a few things on here that this one does different since it's based on Ubuntu. So um, it has everything that Deepin would have, the settings and the this place, the settings and everything that you see in Deepin 15.11. It has that, and then it has the Ubuntu logo here and the menu. Just a couple things. I'm not sure if this happens on regular Deepin. The clock or the time seems to go back to military time, 24-hour time. I always have to change that, and this is on military time also. And so there was a couple things on here that hopefully they fix. Because I'm saying it now, it didn't really have all the Deepin apps on here, so I downloaded um had Synaptic. I downloaded Screenshot. I don't think that was on here. I downloaded Kite for text editor. I still have to download the Deepin editor, but I have Kite right here, as you can see, which is a KDE app. So I downloaded that and Screenshot. I don't believe this was on here. I downloaded the voice recorder. Um, I downloaded Discord. I downloaded Discover and took away Gnome. It had Gnome. I prefer Discover so you can see it's run. The only thing that it's not going to have is it's not going to go by the theme of Deepin. So I'm not sure how to fix that. So that's the only thing, but I don't mind. So I got that. Um, it has pretty much the same stuff as a regular Ubuntu would have. It does have the Deepin system monitor, which that's good. I really like the Deepin system monitor. You can see what's running. This is actually exactly what's running and the CPU usage and memory and the network and everything. So that's good. And the only thing that I had to do was it didn't have the screen recorder. For some reason, when I tried to install this in the software center, it had an issue with the DD environment. So actually had to compile most of this stuff um, by hand. So I compiled the music. I compiled the music output right here. So because I wanted the cover art, and by default you do not get the cover art. So if anybody's listening to this, and if anybody has a YouTube channel and knows how to create a dev file with this package, please let me know, because I would like to create a dev file without building it all the time. But it was fine for me, so I got pretty much all the Deepin apps, just a little bit more that I think this should have all the Deepin apps in it with the Ubuntu stuff, with some of it, probably minimal. So I got this one. So let's see if this one opens. And looks like the color picker doesn't want to open. So I'm surprised. But let's see. Let's try that again. The color picker. Don't see the color picker. So let's see. Color picker. Let's see. Oh, we have it actually. Not sure if you can see it, but it was on the, that's weird, it was on the other screen. It didn't wanna, let's try it again. Color picker. It was actually, you can see it right there in the top. It's actually not going on this screen while I'm recording, so it is working, but I can't show you, so that's okay. You can see the color comes up, so okay. Doesn't want to do it while I'm recording. I'll try it again when I'm off recording. So there are a few bugs and stuff, so not enough to kick me off it, but I'm kind of missing my KDE, so I probably will go on another desktop and install something, probably do another video for you guys. So I think that's it for this, because it's still in beta, not my full review for this. So I will see you guys for the next video. Thank you guys very much, and hope everyone is staying safe, and bye now.